Yo guys, what is up? A very good morning and welcome to a new daily market outlook. So interesting day yesterday, lots of volume due to the news in regards to Powell and the dollar, of course. So today we're going to see what happened and we're going to see if we can get any opportunities after yesterday's massive movements. So yeah, without further ado, just don't forget to subscribe, leave a like and enjoy this video. Okay guys, so looking at the dollar index, what essentially happened yesterday was, kind of what I explained. We had this swing low over here, and as you can see, this bearish candle over here failed to close underneath it. So I was already expecting a potential fake out, and as we can see, we got that fake out and that push back up in towards the highs, back up towards the other swing high of that small range over here. So this was kind of like the range we were trading in prior to these two big moves, and as we can see, we saw a fake out on the low of the range, then we saw a fake out on the high of the range, and now we have been tanking back down in towards the lows. So looking at 1 hour market structure, we can see that 1 hour market structure essentially flipped bullish over here once this high got broken, right? So we could currently see is a push in towards this 1 hour area of demand where this massive green candle came from. However, if you just see one green candle like this, which you know is news based, it's not like the strongest area of demand, or this is not going to be the strongest area of demand in my opinion, just purely because this was a news impulse. So what I want to really see is I really want to see some support forming inside of this demand zone. Then I'll be looking for those dollar longs. Otherwise, I do expect this zone and that area of support on, let's say, the 4 hour to be broken. So expect a more dollar downside essentially if we do not find any support inside that 1 hour area of demand. And then of course we'll see a push first of all in towards this zone, and then second of all in towards this zone down below. So let's head over to Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar guys, and Aussie dollar was very messy yesterday, as you guys can see. Some beautiful descending price action though. So we had kind of like this expanding descending pattern over here. And as you guys know from my previous videos, and if you haven't seen it yet, make sure to watch them. Descending channels are always bullish, or at least you expect a descending channel to flip bullish at some point in time. So as you guys can see, we're currently breaking up in towards the highs. We're currently also located in demand, so I am still expecting some further upside potential. As you guys can see, we also never closed underneath this wick over here, so this was essentially just a fake out, trapping in all the buyers, hitting their stop loss, also trapping in all the sellers. So I think everybody kind of got screwed over here on this position, so I would not be surprised if we start seeing Aussie dollar moving up higher. So that's Aussie dollar. Let's head over to euro dollar. And euro dollar guys, euro dollar was an absolute beauty. Lots of VIP members took the shorts over here from up above at the highs. As you guys know, yesterday in the video I did mention that this was supply and I did expect a potential pushback down from it. So as you can see, perfect reaction to it, and now we have started to mirror the move back up. For now, we have supply located over here, so we have new supply, and I'm just going to be waiting for that supply to get hit. Over here, you can see that we spiked through this ascending trend line, so there is some supply inside of here. I'm just going to be waiting and seeing how we react to that level. I'm hoping and expecting that we are going to break it though, and we will soon see a push in towards this higher area of supply over here, but it kind of depends if we make resistance in this zone. So let's see if we slow down inside that zone and we form resistance, then a push further down. But if we see strong momentum up in towards the highs, then I do expect it to get broken, and I do expect a push further up in towards the highs, in towards 1.144. So that is it from euro dollar. Let's head to pound dollar. And pound dollar guys, so pound dollar, as you guys can see, we were starting to break and we were moving up higher since that video which I made yesterday morning, but as you guys can see, we never really broke resistance. We just failed that resistance and we started crashing from there. So for now, what am I expecting? Well, pretty much not that much. We are bearish once again on pound dollar, of course, after creating this new lower low located over here, diving in towards the 1 hour. You can see that we have supply located over here. So what I want to see is what happens once we reach that area of supply, and it's kind of the same as on euro dollar. Just wait till we reach supply and then wait to see if resistance is formed, because then what could happen is a potential 1, 2, 3, and then a sell-off. So 1, 2, 3, and then potentially a sell-off. But for that sell-off to occur, we need to see resistance formed within that area of supply. So yeah, if we break it and we see lots of momentum in towards the highs, I'm not going to be taking any shorts. We need to see resistance being formed. So yeah, let's head over to Kiwi dollar. And Kiwi dollar has pretty much exactly done as expected. Like I mentioned yesterday, we of course had descending price action, then the breakout. Now retesting, hopefully very soon, this area of demand, and then we can look for those further longs up in towards the highs. So we have demand located over here, waiting for that demand zone to get hit before looking for potential longs. We also have some demand located over here from where we could also potentially look for some longs. So let's head to gold. And gold, guys, so I was looking to get into a gold long from approximately 1789, which was over here. Just missed out on the fun up, but then yeah, as you guys can see, we just absolutely tanked back down in towards downside due to news. So yeah, structure has become a little bit more messy, but essentially we still have that descending kind of like channel slash price action. So at a certain point in time, I do expect gold to start pumping up higher. I am expecting a breakout in the near future. So yeah, I would say look for some lower time frame setups which points upwards on gold, because it does look like she wants to start breaking up higher during the month of December. But we could tank down a little bit lower first, in my opinion, but essentially maybe in towards, let's say, some lower areas over here, take out some lows, maybe move in towards this low, take out the stop losses before seeing that December rally up in towards the highs. So yeah, maybe we'll just stay inside of this wedge slash range and then start moving up higher. So yeah, that's it for gold, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I wish you all a fantastic day. Thanks, guys.